Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is measurement of capacity. When we talk about capacity, we are going to measure the liquid things here in a chapter number 10. Clear? So let's see what we are going to learn from this chapter. Okay, here we are having some topics just like units of measure of capacity, addition, conversion, subtraction. So here is a picture. When you are going to measure the liquid state of things just like milk, water and cold drink, ghee, something else, then we will going to use our capacity concept. Clear? Just like here is a picture, there is a milkman and a lady, and milkman is giving milk to a lady that is in liters. That is 2 liters of milk. Clear? So now move on next topic. Okay. Here we are having unit of measure of capacity. When we going to measure the liquid state of things, we use the measure of capacity, and here we are having two units just like liter and milliliter. For larger capacity, we will going to use liter. For smaller capacity, we are going to use milliliter. Clear? Okay. Now we are having liter. So here is a conversion unit, that is 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So liter is the standard unit of measuring volume of liquids. So when we are talking about volume, we always mostly measure in liters. Okay. So these are the vessels which are used to measure the quantities of these are the utensils which are going to measure the capacities of liquids or volume of material. Clear? So here we are having, have you seen these kinds of vessels? This is of 5000 milliliter, 2000 milliliter, 1000 milliliter, 500 milliliter, 200 ml or 100 ml. So these kinds of utensils are used in petrol pumps. Maybe you have seen there. They are kept there to measure the petrols. And these types of mugs or utensils are used by dairy owners or milkmen to measure the milk. And you have seen these kinds of utensils on the milk dairy. So for 1000 milliliter, we have this utensil. For 500 milliliter, 200, 150 milliliter. Clear? Okay, now next we are going to use the conversion topic. So in conversion, we have to convert liters into milliliters. So here we are having 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. So conversion to milliliter, liter, milliliter. Okay, we will do it with the help of example. So come to our exercise 11.8. There is a question number 1. How many milliliters are there in? Okay. So let's pick question number D part. Here we are having 36 liter. So we know that 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. So here we are having 36 liter. So we are going to change in milliliter. So we have to multiply by 1000. So by multiplying by 1000, this liter is converted into milliliter. So we are having 36,000 milliliter. Clear? Next is convert the following into milliliters. Okay. Here we are having D part. So here we are going to solve this part, that is 40 liter 72 milliliter. First thing, we have to convert this 40 liter part into milliliter, then we will have to add these two quantities. So again, we know that 1 liter equals to, that is 1000 milliliter. So here we are having 40 liter and 72 milliliter. So I am going to change first 14 liter into milliliter by multiplying by 1000. And here we are having already 72 milliliter. Okay, so here we are having 14,000 plus 72 milliliter. So we are having 14,072 milliliter. Clear? Okay, now come to our next part. That is question number 3. Here we have to convert into liter and milliliters. So okay, let's pick D part. So here we are having some units, just like 1 milliliter equals to 1 by 1000 liter. So we are going to change this into liter and milliliter. So we are having 7,432 milliliter. Now we have to change into liter and milliliter. So we are going to multiply 7,432 milliliter into 1 by 1000. So this will be converted into liters. So here we are having 3 zeros. So we put a decimal after 3 places from the right hand side, just like this, 7.432 liter. So this right hand side part will become milliliter, and this left hand side part is for liter. So we are having 7 liter and 432 milliliter. Next we are having question number 4, fill in the blanks. So we are having here, let's pick C part. This is milliliter and 26,606 milliliter. So this last three digits is for milliliter, and other part we are having that is for liter. You can also convert this like this also. Next come to next part. Okay. Okay, now we are having addition of units. So here we are going to just add them. The first thing we have to just convert them, add them, and return convert them in the original unit. Or second method we are having, we have to just add the same unit and same unit, just like milliliter in milliliter and liter in liter. Okay, now we are going to solve our exercise, that is 11b. So here we are having question number 1, add the following. Okay, let's pick B part. We have to add milliliter into milliliter and liter into liter. So we are going to add 6 plus 4 is 0, carry ka 1, 5 plus 8 plus 1, 9, and 7 plus 2 is 9. Clear? 6 plus 9 plus 6 is 15, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, and this is 3. This is 35 liter. Okay. So here we are having 35 liter and 990 milliliter. So come to our next question, that is question number 2, arrange in columns and head. Okay, let's pick question number 2, D part. So here we are having 3 units, we have to arrange them in columns and head. So this is liter and this is milliliter. So here we are having 42 liter and this is 200 milliliter. Again we are having 35 liter and this is 318 milliliter, and this is 46 liter and this is 512 milliliter. So here we are having, this is 8 plus 2 is 0, carry 1, 1, 2, 3, this is 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 9, 10. So 0, we are carrying 1. This is 6 plus 5 is 11, 12, 13, 14, 4. Again carry 1, 4 plus 3, 7, 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 124 liter and 30 milliliter. Clear? Chale. Now move to our next question. So we are having question number 2, 3. Okay. Now we are having simplifying question. We are having the same type of question. We have to add them. Okay, let's pick C part from here. This is normal addition question, so we are going to add them first. So we will take units first, just like liter, milliliter. Then first part we are having 12 liters and 112 milliliter. Here we are having 23 liters and here we are having 170 milliliter. So we are going to add them. Okay. So this is 2 plus 0 is 2. This is 7 plus 1, this is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Clear? So this is our answer. Now we are having some word problem type questions. Let's pick question number 6. Okay. Okay, here we are having Winnie has 2 cows which give 50 liter and 560 milliliter and 13 liter and this 755 milliliter of milk respectively. How much milk does he get from 2 cows? Okay. So we are going to start our statement part. Milk from first cow. Okay, milk from the first cow is 15 liter and 560 milliliter and milk from second cow is 13 liters 775 milliliter. Clear? Now we have to find out the total quantity of milk. So we have to find out the total quantity of milk. Okay. So we have to add them, that is 5 carry 1. This is 2 liter 335 milliliter. Clear? Okay. So now move to our next topic. Let's see what we are having next. Okay. Now we are having subtraction of capacity. When we talk about subtraction, we will use again 2 methods, that's the same conversion method and same unit method. So let's see what we have in our exercise 11C. Okay, come to question number 1. We have to simply subtract them. So we are going to pick B part. We have to subtract milliliter from milliliter and liter from liter. So 4 minus 4 is 0. 5 minus 9 not possible. We have to take carry. This is 6 and this is 15 minus 9 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Here we are having 19 minus 8 is 11. So here we are having 11 liter and 260 milliliter. Okay, now we are in question number 2, subtract after converting into milliliters. Okay, first we have to convert them and then we have to subtract. So here we are having, let's first convert this part. This is 129 liter and 480 milliliter. So first we will going to multiply 129 by 1000 to change into milliliter and then add 480 milliliter. So this will become 129,000. plus 480. So we are going to solve this 129480 milliliter. Is answer. Clear? Next we are having this unit, that is 54 liter and 575 milliliter. So here we are having 54 into 1000 plus 575. This will become 54,000 plus 575 milliliter. So this will become 54575 milliliter. Clear? So now here we have to subtract this from this part. So now we are going to subtract, and we are having our quantities just like this is 1,29480 milliliter and 5457. Sorry. So we have to write on the right places. So for writing at the right place, you have to start from the last place, just like 1 says 100, then we are having 1000 and then 10,000. So we are having 1,29,480 milliliter, or here we are having 54,575 milliliter. And here we have to subtract. 0 minus 5 is 5, this is 7 minus 7 is 0, this is not possible, this is 8, and this is 14 minus 5 is 9, 8 minus 4 again 4, and this is not possible. Here we are having 12, 12 minus 5 is 7. So we are having 74,905 milliliter. Clear? So there is little bit lengthy. This is a little bit lengthy for the subtraction part. So let's see. Next what we are having, arrange in columns and find the difference. Okay. Let's pick A part. So here we are having liter and milliliter. So first capacity is 10 liter and 532 milliliter, and the second is 7 liter and 949 milliliter. Now you have to subtract them. Okay, here we are having 2 minus 9, not possible. So we can say that we have to take carry. This is 2 and this is 12. 3 and this is 4 and this is 12. This is 8. Not carry. Here we are having 9. This is 14. This is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, here we are having 2 liter and 538 milliliter as an answer. Okay. Okay, let's see what we are having next. Question 3 is done. Now come to question number 4. Okay, here we are having simplification part. Again, we are having plus minus all together. So we will choose which part? F part. Let's see. So here we are having 2 subtraction part and 1 addition part. Okay, we have to subtract these 2 parts from this unit. So first let's subtract these 2, then after that the remaining part. So here we are having liter and milliliter. So first 330 liter and 550 milliliter. So we are going to subtract only 200 liter from here. So there is no milliliter, so we are putting here 0. So we are having that is 550 and 0, 3, 1. So here we are having 130 liter and 550 milliliter. Now we have to subtract the second part, that is 40 liter and 640 milliliter. So we are having liter and milliliter. This is 130 liter and 550 milliliter. Now we are going to subtract, that is 40 liter and 640 milliliter. Minus करेंगे, sorry. Now we are going to subtract them. This is 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 4, 1, 6 minus 5 minus 6 not possible. So we have to take carry from here. This is 2 and this is 9 and this is 15. So here we are having 9, 9 and here we are having 8. So we are having final answer is 89 liter 910 milliliter. Clear? Okay. Now we will take word problem question, that is question number C. Okay, let's understand the question first. Okay, here we are having question number 6. A man puts 14 liter and 740 milliliter petrol at the beginning of a journey. So when we started our journey, we are having that much petrol in our vehicle. And after that, at the end of the journey, we are having 4 liter 350 milliliter of petrol was left. Okay, so we are having the starting petrol and the remaining petrol. So how much petrol was consumed during the journey? So we have to find out this by subtracting these two quantities. Okay, let's start the statement part. So here we are having petrol at the beginning of journey. This will become liter and milliliter, and this is 14 liter and 740 milliliter. Okay, then petrol at the end of journey. If we see how much petrol is left at the end of the journey is 4 liter 350 milliliter. Okay, so this is 4 liter and 350 milliliter. Now we have to find out the petrol consumed during journey. Okay, so let's write petrol consumed during journey. Clear? So we are having now we are going to subtract these part, that is 0 and this is 9 and this is 3. Here we are having 10 liters. So we have consumed 10 liter 390 milliliter of petrol during our journey. Okay, let's pick one more question in which addition and subtraction are done. Okay, let's pick question number 10. Okay, here we are having our question. In this question, we are having a shopkeeper had 100 liter of kerosene oil in a drum. That is the total quantity of kerosene oil. So here we are having a question, that is a shopkeeper had 100 liter of kerosene oil in a drum. He sold 41 liter and 350 milliliter one day and 36 liter 465 milliliter on second day. So these are the quantities sold by the kerosene seller. So how much kerosene oil was left in the drum? Okay. So we are going to start our statement. So first we are going to add the quantity sold of kerosene, then we have to subtract from the total quantity of kerosene oil. And we will have our required answer. So let's start. Just like here. Okay, kerosene, oil sold on first day, that is 41 liter and 350 milliliter. Then we are having kerosene, oil sold on second day. That is 36 liter, 465 milliliter. So first thing we have to find out the total quantity of kerosene sold. So we are going to add them. Here we are having 5, this is 1, 8, 6 plus 1 is 7 and 4 plus 3 is again 7. This is liter and this is milliliter. Okay. So now we are having total quantity of kerosene in drum. That is 100 liter. Now we have to find out the remaining quantity of kerosene in drum. So we have to just subtract these two quantities, just like 100 liter, and we are having 77 liter and 815 milliliter. So we put here zeros, and now we have to find out the answer. So if we look here, we have to take what? We are carrying here 1 1. So this is now we are going to subtract this part. So here we are having 22 liter and 185 milliliter of kerosene left in our drum. Clear? So in this way you are going to solve these type of questions. Okay, so our topic is finished. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and you have cleared all your concepts. So see you in next video and all the best for your future.